The day has finally come. I bought my grill. What is good, YouTube? Fernando here. I'm back with another video. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, I did buy my grill. So mine actually did come in yesterday and I was super excited to get them in. In here is a huge grill of mine, so I may be let down, but hopefully I'm not. Let's see where this is coming. This comes from the UK, so I was waiting for a minute on this. Here they are. Alright, let's see them. Dude, these are pretty fire. These are the Undercover 68s. Got the blue yarn. These are the these are the 2010 like reissue pair. I'm pretty happy with these. These are pretty hard. Not gonna lie. Pretty excited about these. So they're a little slim on the thigh, but I think that'll just naturally stretch out from wear. I'm probably gonna be wearing these probably for the next month or so. Get my money's worth. These are around like $700, which I've really never spent on pants. I think this is probably the highest I'll go, to be honest. But I think they look pretty good. I wouldn't wear it with this stuff, but I'm pretty happy right now. Got my grail. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I'm pretty happy with these. Pretty excited about them. Are they worth $600, $700? That's really up to you. Whoever buys it can justify it. I actually would go as far as saying they are worth it. I don't really feel like giving you guys a rundown on why I think they're worth it, but I'm very happy with these. I think I'm gonna keep them for a while. But yeah, these are the Undercover 2010 reissue 68s with the blue yarn. A few differences between the 2010 reissue and the original version. As far as what I've seen, I'm not too sure about the quality, even though I have had it in person, and in my opinion, it's very similar. The OG versions, the original versions, in my opinion, had a really weird fit. It kind of had like a really genie looking fit. The thigh was like a regular fit, and the bottom of it was super tapered to like what I would say like a 5.5 to 6 inch taper, which makes for a really awkward fitting pant. What I've seen that's pretty common amongst the reissue versions is that they revised the fit. The fit on these is really good in my opinion. It's like a skinny slim. It's not like a super skinny, but it's a skinny slim. It's pretty tight in the thigh. It's 100% cotton. Japanese denim, super good quality. I'm sure it'll stretch out and fit me better in the thigh, but I really like the fit on these. I think it's like the perfect fit. I got them in a size 2 and I'm like a 30 waist. Sometimes I can fit like a 29 or a 31. Depends on the pants. But these are a size 2 68. These are the blue yarn, as I did say, so the knee will have it. Blue yarn, crazy detail. There are a bunch of variations amongst all of them, but what I've seen in other pairs that do also have the blue yarn or a different colored yarn is that some of them are patched up, some of them have knee blowouts, some of them don't. It's kind of like a mix and match. I'm not sure if they're all unique. I'm pretty sure they are, but correct me if I'm wrong. I really like how my pair is all patched up. Super, super fire in my opinion. It almost has like an aged patchwork look, so I'm a super big fan of that. Some of the details are like the released hem, and it is stitched up with like a zigzag blue stitch to match the blue yarn at the knee. Undercover lightning bolt. The one thing that's super fire in my opinion, but I keep on forgetting that it has it, is this torn off pocket. I keep on putting my wallet and it keeps on falling through. Not the brightest move, but it keeps happening to me. Hopefully I get used to it. But yeah, these are the Undercover 68s. Huge grail of mine. I'm super, super happy that I finally have a pair. Will I buy another pair? I'm not too sure. I really like my pair. And in my opinion, I got the best one for my personal style. There are a few other pairs that I do have in my eye, but I'll probably end up buying Undercover 85s first, or another grail you'll see later on in my list. So this is my grail. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below and let me know what your grails are. We can share our grails, we can have a little conversation. I'm pretty curious to see what your grails are. Maybe you guys can expose me to some stuff that I don't know about. And hopefully it's interesting for me to show you guys what my grails are. So let's go into some of my 5 grails. So to start off, I have them on my phone so I don't forget. I know they're grails, how would I forget them? So first off, we have this insane Supreme piece. It's the Supreme Autumn Winter 2009 black and yellow Divine Mercy hoodie. Now this hoodie goes for around $400, at least as far as I've seen it. The black and yellow Divine Mercy hoodie, like, why do I want it? I just prefer black hoodies first of all. I really like the yellow color on it. Great explanation. But yeah, it did come in 3 colors. I believe there was like a navy and red, a gray and navy. The black and yellow one is my favorite. I can never find, first of all, a size large. There is an extra large, it's $400. Right now, I'm not looking forward to buying a $400 hoodie. So, as of right now, will I get it? No, but if the right deal does pop up, or if my size does happen to pop up, I'll definitely do my best and try and get it. But that's just a hoodie I think I could get a ton of wear out of. Overall, just Supreme hoodies are pretty good quality.
Rich nigga put that as a spade in the air.
Next up is another Undercover Grail. These are the Undercover Spring Summer 16 scab pants. These aren't part of the 2003 scab collection. They did release, I believe, in 2016 if I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I do think I could wear these. The only thing I don't like about them is I believe at the ankle, there is a zipper. Maybe I can find a way around that. There are scab work pants. I believe there's a model called the Scab Crust Pant. Those are all cool, but my personal favorite is the 2016 version. Those are super crazy in my opinion. I really like how all of the belt loops have rings on them. Super fire. But the thing with these, they run for around $900 to $1,300. And even just off spending $650 on these, you know, I sold some things, I was able to buy them, but $900 to over $1,000, I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. But if my size pops up and it's a steal, I'm definitely gonna have to try my best to get my hands on them. So that's Grail number 2.
And we be so sad. I love her so you know I gotta floss it.
Next up, one of the hype brands of 2017. Anyway, it is the brown and black Balenciaga overshirt flannel. It's a wool overshirt. I don't really wear wool overshirts too often. I don't even think I've ever had one, but this one, the best. So the thing is with this one, I really like how it's super wide. I like the fact that it is an overshirt, not just a normal flannel. I do prefer how flannel overshirts fit. They're like super boxy, pretty much works as a light jacket. The thing with this one, aside from the cool fit, at least I think it's cool, I tried to find like a cheaper alternative for this, but every other one I could find in like a brown and black pattern just didn't look the best. I wasn't really finding a similar look. I'm gonna try and have to buy it, but the thing is, I can never find it on Grailed. I've only seen one and it was like a size extra small and it was $650. I'm not sure what they would go for if they do pop up ever. That's Grail number 3. The thing with that one is I do think I could actually get a ton of wear out of it because it's pretty simple.
I'm about to turn it up. She wanna party with a real nigga.
Next up, you know I couldn't leave this brand out of my Grails. Number 9, these are the number 9 hybrid pants. It is the all black version with one cargo pocket. Has a drawstring on the top, and I believe the top portion of the pants are made out of a tuxedo fabric. So pretty much like a dress pant on top with a drawstring. Cargo pocket right where the two seams connect. And the bottom portion is a sweatpant. And I believe at the bottom you can adjust the cuff. Overall, this is a Grail of mine that I do really like. I really like the piece. I do think it's super wearable. But I don't really find myself wearing sweatpants all too often. I know it is a hybrid, so maybe I could wear it. Maybe I'll like it more than I thought. But the aftermarket on these, just like the Undercover scab pants, is over $1,000. I believe they're $1,200. I did find my size on Grailed, and it is $1,200. I just don't really see myself spending that much on pretty much what is just a sweatpant. I definitely like the piece, but is it worth $1,200? Am I gonna get enough wear out of it? I don't really know. I feel like other Grails that I do have in mind, I would get more wear out of. So this is definitely a Grail of mine that's kind of on a lower priority as of right now, but that's Grail number 4.
Twist it like a 2C roll. Like a movie, play your fucking role.
Last up is a shoe. I've been struggling to find good shoes, but I came across a pair of George Cox Mastermind Japan collab. Now George Cox, okay, George Cox, I'm very mature. I swear I've matured. Not really. Anyways, George Cox does make some really good creeper shoes. I'm not the biggest fan of like a wedge sole. I know it's pretty much what creepers are, but this pair is insane. It's pretty much like a moccasin type looking shoe. It's a shinier, smooth leather. Really like the finish on it. Amazing details. It has a Mastermind skull on the back, so just subtle branding. And overall, it's not that expensive of a grail of mine, but the thing is I can never find it in my size, so I may have to settle for just a non-collaboration pair. So if you see me in a pair of George Cox soon, and it's not Mastermind, just know I settled for a tier below my grail. But if I can find the Mastermind pair, or if one of you guys can find it for me, I'll definitely scoop up a pair. I do think it would work with a lot of the pieces that I have. So it's definitely one of the higher priorities on my grail list, and that's my final grail at number 5.
She tryna pop it off of me. Lil' shawty tryna drop it off of me.
So those are all my grails. I'm happy to finally add one to the collection, the Undercover 68. If you guys want to see more videos on these, or if you guys are curious, I could definitely talk about this more in like an alpha video. So let me know. Once again, let me know what your guys' grails are. I'm super curious to find out. Maybe I'll find some pieces from you guys that I've never even looked into. But yeah, that is the video. Shout out to everyone that did pick up a earring. I appreciate it a lot. I sent them all out yesterday, so you'll be getting them soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I see right through her body. That she just want her money, she never